So I'm just using our little carbide tips on the end of our air grinder, and I'm just gonna try and oval these out. Once it's cleaned, then I'm gonna show you the next step on how to form it a little bit to make the spark plug wire come out a little nicer. So the overall width of this ends up being just a little bit over that. So I'm just able to travel around and clean that up. And then we will just use a little sanding one to clean the edges just to make sure they're not sharp. Okay, so now we got our holes all cleaned up. I want to shape them a little bit. And the reason why I'm doing that is just because the way the spark plug comes out, I want to have it a little bit easier to travel out so it's not on such a short edge, or a sharp edge, sorry. She-shores. So I'm just going to use our torch. We're just going to heat it up a little bit, and then we're going to just pull it up. I just got a little bar here. That's nice. Okay, so that's got a nice flare going up, and now we're going to push this end down. So same deal. So if you can imagine, that bar is the spark plug. It's going to come out of that hole a lot nicer than if it was real sharp on the sides.